Welcome to Dan the Cleaning Man channel. So, you're thinking about starting your very own cleaning business, huh? Maybe you've already imagined your logo on a van, your phone blowing up with clients, and of course, the sweet sound of payments hitting your bank account. I mean, who wouldn't want that, right? But before you grab a mop and a bucket and start scrubbing your way to success, there's a secret step that experts say you must take before diving into the cleaning industry. And trust me, skipping this step could cost you way more than just a little extra elbow grease. No, we're not talking about buying supplies, setting up a website, or even hiring employees. Those are important, sure, but this step? It's the foundation. Without it, you'll be cleaning up a lot more than just dirt and dust. You'll be cleaning up business mistakes, wasted time, and, yeah, let's just say some not-so-fun headaches. You're probably wondering, what's this mysterious, game-changing step? Well, here it is. Market research. It doesn't sound as exciting as shopping for shiny new vacuum cleaners, but this step could be the difference between success and failure. Market research is the key to understanding whether your business will thrive or just barely survive. Here's why. First, you need to know who your customers are. Are you going after residential clients who need help keeping their homes spotless? Or are you targeting commercial spaces that need a deep clean after hours? Maybe you want to specialize in eco-friendly cleaning or focus on post-construction cleanups? Whatever it is, you have to narrow down your niche. Experts say that trying to do it all right out of the gate is one of the biggest mistakes you can make. Find your sweet spot, the thing you're really good at, and focus on that. Next, take a look at your competition. Who are the big players in your area? What services do they offer? And more importantly, what are they missing? Can you provide something unique? Like faster turnaround times, better customer service, or specialized cleaning techniques that others don't offer? Competition isn't a bad thing. In fact, it means there's demand. But to stand out, you need to know exactly what you're up against. Now let's talk pricing. Market research will give you insights into what people in your area are willing to pay for cleaning services. You can't just guess and slap a price on your services. Undercut the competition too much, and you're leaving money on the table. Price too high, and you might scare off potential clients. The trick is finding that sweet spot where you're competitive, but still making a profit. All right, so how do you actually do market research? Here are 3 easy steps to get started. Step 1. Survey your potential customers. You can do this online or even face-to-face. Ask questions like, how often do they need cleaning? What's their biggest pain point when it comes to cleaning services? And what would make them switch from their current cleaning provider? Step 2. Check out your competition. Look at their websites, read their reviews, and if possible, pretend to be a customer. See how they market themselves, how they price their services, and what their customers are saying about them. Step 3. Use online tools. Platforms like Google Trends, local business directories, and even social media can give you tons of data on what's trending in your area. You might find that commercial cleaning is booming while residential demand is slowing down. Or maybe eco-friendly products are in high demand. Once you've done your research, you'll have a clear idea of where your business fits into the market, what customers are looking for, and how you can stand out. With that knowledge, you can move on to the more exciting stuff, like branding, setting up your business structure, and building your team. But remember, everything starts with this foundational step. Do your market research, and you'll be one giant step ahead of the competition. Skip it, and you might find yourself cleaning up more than just dirty floors. If you're serious about starting a cleaning business, take the time to do it right. It's not the flashiest part of the process, but it's absolutely essential to long-term success. That's it for today. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips to help you build a thriving cleaning business. Until next time, happy cleaning!